What's up, Poker Maniac? TFP back to another video. You already know where we're at. We're at the 1,000 that we hit yesterday. Gonna keep going. 13, 10, 8, 7. Take it. 14, 8. There's the 8.
You win.
Let's raise here. See if we can get jacks. Pair of jacks. Oh, 18 versus a 5. Good raise. 30. Yeah, we lost. Alright, 150. Not because we lost, but it's a good time to raise. 12 versus 6. We stand there. Big. Nice.
You win.
Alright, we're up 75. I was thinking trip jacks. Look at that. Oh my god.
You win.
It's like I would rather have trips right there than the blackjack. I'm not doubling. Should have, but I'm not doing it.
You win.
Already up $117. Let's get it. Run it back. 9 of diamonds would have been great.
You win.
Alright, keep the same bet. Actually, we're gonna lower it. We're gonna hit. Either way we lose. See how we lowered it and we lost? Stand it. Good.
You win.
We got a Ocho. Even better.
You win.
Come on. Okay, we got the 20 on a raise. Come on. Nice.
You win.
What's that, a 10 versus an ace? Yes, sir. Double down hand. Which gonna hit? Hit. 17, good. Okay, it's a push. Alright. 200. Come on. Bro, we missed. 19, come on. Have the 7 underneath. Get out. Nice. Good raise.
You win.
$17 versus 10, we stand it. I wanted to hit, but we're gonna chill on it. Good, good. I'm glad I didn't do this.
You win.
Stuff like that. But that 4 here is near. We should see a 4 right now. Right there. Stand. Get out.
You win.
All right, let's just go for it. I wanted to do 300, but we're just gonna chill. Oh, we should have did 300, bro. It's good. It's a good raise. Good raise with a 20, 18. We win. Should have did 300.
You win.
I got scared. Nice pair. Hit 17. It's profit. No, we got to push. Okay.
You win.
That is profit. Raise. You gotta hit this. Hit it. It's okay. We missed out on the ace. Okay, 19 versus 4. We'll get it back here. Hopefully. Nice.
You win.
Alright, going back to 25. Hit it. 18. Oh, come on. We need the trip king. Raise. 13, ocho. 19 is okay. Nah. I don't know what it could be. Ace? 19? Come on, hold up. Double down. 13. Wow. Come on, side. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Do we split this? Or guaranteed all of that? Bro, I'm just gonna stand it, dog.
You win.
That's crazy. $17. Rays got the 20.
You win.
$9. 19.
You
18.
win.
Come on. Where is my 8? Alright, we're at 3,000, but we're gonna keep going. Try to get to 4. Okay, we got the 6. Stand it. We'll just push here. Or win it.
You win.
Nine. Let's double down. Let's get risky. 18 is still a 1 up. Nice double.
You win.
Just gonna stand it.
You win.
Bust with a king. It's good. Ace. 12 versus 5. We got to stand. Okay. Run it back. Nope. You got it. Cool. $13. We need that 7. Okay, let's just do a side bet here. Oh, he missed by a queen. Down 25.
You win.
Alright, we're getting risky here. Oh my goodness. Almost a straight flush. Alright, we're gonna do that one more time. We're gonna do it one more time. Bro, where are my pairs? We got the 20. Come on. 7. Let's go.
You win.
Come on. Why? 11. Come on. 7. Let's go.
You win.
I'm gonna call it a video, man. I'm gonna call it a video. I almost hit that too, man. 1,000 to 4,000, man. Let's get it, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel. See y'all next video, man. Let's go, bro. Y'all come back every day, man. Let's get this video to like 50 likes, bro. Where y'all at, bro?